Yeah. What's up, man? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are, man. Hey, this is your main man from the Forex Strategy Factory, man. Bringing it to you today. This topic about Bollingerbands and the perfect entry strategy. And this is the day we're gonna end the Bollingerbands strategy that we've been doing for the past 6 months. Now follow me because today I'm going to reveal to you a big secret that will shock your mind. Now let's go. Yeah, let's load our indicators. Okay? I want to load my candlestick first. My icon Aishi. Get it in, man. We love this icon Aishi. But remember, I have my own candlesticks. Good. This is one thing completed. Then we go load our Bollingerband, which is the main thing that we wanna or I say that is the main thing that I feel like we wanna use. So where is it, man? Bollingerbands. Oh my God, Bollingerbands. Where can I see that thing? This is it. Oh, not template. My chart. Oh my God. Tools, chart. Insert indicators. Okay, let's put this Bollinger Band. Now, first of all, we're gonna put this Bollinger Band 200. This is the big one, 200. Okay, 200. Good. And then, apart from this 200, we will put again a Bollinger Band 10. There's a reason for this. We made the color to be like let's say we make it a yellow tiny stuff. Okay, there's a reason for making it this way. Alright. Oh, it looks so crappy. But it's good for the purpose of what we wanna do. Alright. Just for the purpose of what we wanna do. We love it. It's good. Do we need to zoom it? I don't know, but maybe this is good for what we want to do. Or should I even zoom it a little bit? This is more cool because we were looking at a kind of season. We're looking from one season to the other. Now, one thing I want to let you know, which I've been hammering before, is that when you see a Bollinger Band 10 like this, traveling right inside this 200, definitely it's going up. As you can see, Bollinger Band carries the price, and this is a big 200, and this is a 10 traveling right inside this 200. As you can see, it's finding its own way to go up. Okay, now when you see a Bollinger Band traveling up like this, I don't always advise from all my video that you should assume it's a buy and you find a place to buy and jump in. I don't always advise that for a reason. There's going to be a price fluctuation that looks like this, and this might kick you out. You understand? Now, what is the idea? The idea behind this is that when you see it going up and traveling like this, okay, definitely go and think of, okay, one day this Bollinger Band will get somewhere around this 200 and then turn around and start going down. Okay, this is the idea, okay, of any Bollinger Band. Okay, but this 200, we have a reason for that. Okay, because this 200 lets us know this 10, where is it going to turn around? That means, look, when it's touching the outside band of 200, it's going to turn around. Okay, when it touches the outside band of 200, the main idea is to go and think of, yes, this thing is going to turn around because it's been touching the outside band of 200. Okay, it's gonna turn around. Now, what about the perfect entry? How do we do the analysis for a perfect entry? Now let's go and start our analysis from the daily. Okay, because I want to show you something. But before I go there, let's go and insert one thing. There's one thing I'm going to show you, okay? Though it's not necessary, but it's just one thing very good that I want to show you. Okay, we're going to go insert our Gatly. Oh, I love that Gatly, because that Gatly gives a kind of perfect, okay, a perfect entry. Now this Gatly one set it this way. Oh, everything is okay. 12. The default setting is good. No need to touch it. Everything is cool about it, except we want it to use the alert, because this is going to point to us where that Bollingerband 10 is going to turn around. We want alert. We want the notification. Okay, we want it. Even if it's going to send us email, we want it, because it's going to tell us the day that this Bollingerband 10 will turn around inside this Bollingerband. What is this? Do I have my Gatly? Is this my Gatly that I put on this thing, or what? Indicator list. No, not Shepherd. No, not Shepherd. No, delete Shepherd, not Shepherd. Not Shepherd, man. I'm talking about my Gatly indicator list. Sorry about this video. Indicator, insert indicator, custom indicator. We talk of Gatly. Yeah, not Shepherd. Gatly, man. This is Gatly. Okay, we put our Gatly in here. Oh, well, I don't know. Maybe Gatly is there, just went to mix up with Shepherd. But let's go on with our analysis. Let's go to the time frames, and we go to daily, where we start. Okay, let's go to daily. This is daily. Okay, so now what is going on here? Let's rule a line. Insert your lines. We're starting our analysis. The daily touches the outside of the 200 band from here. Okay, and it started to shoot down. Let us make our analysis line a white one. Okay. Oh, and the time is running against me on this video. Don't worry, we have two videos here, and then insert our lines again. It got to touch it all the way here. This is the analysis on the daily. Then from here, it's bouncing up. Alright? Great. Let's go and see exactly the way it looks on the 4 hour. You see what is going on here. This Bollingerband 10 has traveled up. Okay? But then it does a pullback. Okay? Now it has traveled again. It got to the point where it will do another pullback. That pullback is what we want to eat. But just wait. Let's go and do the analysis on the 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, this is the 4 hour. Okay, see, this is what you will be doing for a perfect entry. Okay, insert your lines. Insert your lines. Okay, this is where the 4 hour touches. Okay, and then lines again, and then it got here. Okay, got here. It has traveled up. Now, maybe it's gonna touch this line and start going down. Okay, because it's gone up, it must definitely come down. Now let's go to the 1 hour. This is nothing but just a kind of a perfect entry. We want to spot it. Okay, but if you have the Gatly, there's no need to do this one. Let's go to the 1 hour. No. Let's go to the 1 hour. Time frames. 1 hour. Okay, now you see something that's gonna happen here. We're gonna get everything put together right now. The 1 hour touches right here. Okay, let's say it's here. Okay, then insert lines again, and then here it touches again. There's no need to draw it. We have the 4 hour line here. Okay, the only thing we do now is we have seen something that makes 1 hour. Now 1 hour will be rejected. It will come back in. If you can see what this Bollinger Band is doing right now, trying to come back in on the 1 hour. That is what it will do. Then let's go to the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Oh, this is 30 minutes. Now, you see, let's insert indicator our lines there. Our lines. The 30 minutes touch all the way. It's been touching all the way from here. So this is where it's been touching it. Okay. Insert lines, and then it came to touch here again. Now, what this means, and you have seen that under these 30 minutes, this 200 big Bollinger Band has gotten to the top, and it's folding up to start coming down. So the idea of selling here is really visible, and the perfect entry here on the 30 minutes looks like this line that I'm touching here, or this line. Anywhere on these 3 lines is going to be a perfect entry. Okay, and you know that these lines has a meaning. They are on a kind of level. If you can see a wave of 5 here, showing that the Elliott wave 5, then that's where something do happen in the Forex market. This is the Elliott wave 5. Something is going to happen here. This Bollinger Band 10 is going to drop to the bottom of this, and this will turn around and start going down. Now, let's go and do our analysis on the 15 minutes. If we can spot another thing on the 15 minutes, this is what you should be doing, and this is going to wrap this video of Bollinger Band to an end. Okay, so in case if the time is not enough for me, at least you can see what I've been doing. You can see this is the 15 minutes, but as you can see, the 15 minutes, what is going on? It's been turning around. Okay, it's been turning around. Okay, yeah, it's been turning around. You know, we have done our level. See, this is where it touched the big time frame, went up, and then came somewhere here. Okay, came somewhere around here. Now touching these big time frames. So definitely the idea in this 15 minutes is that this 15 minutes will start finding its own way to go down. Now let us go and look at the 5 minutes. You know, when you do your analysis on from the big time frame daily, you do it, you go down, even going down to the level of 5 minutes. Look at 5 minutes. Okay, but been playing around a big level line, and then, you know, bouncing back, and it has its own line also around somewhere here. Insert indicators in lines, and then here is touching this zone. This zone has 3 touches on the 5 minutes. It's a very strong zone. This is why the 5 minutes have bounced on it and start heading down. Now you have seen the rejection of the 5 minutes with 3 touches, and then going into the second line, trying to break the third line, which means it will break the third line, and you have seen this big Bollinger Band 200 heading down. which means if you put your entry right here before the 5 minutes will break this line,